Hey guys, why them videos were a little bit silly. Right now, I'm gonna be doing. Oh, and comment down below and like if you like it. So, yeah. What we're going to be doing, I'm going to get my dough out. Yeah, so let's go. Ah! Down we go. Where's my bottle? Oh my god, it's there. Sorry guys. I use this to stand up outside. So yeah, I'm just getting it up. See you in a... Oh, I just need to get this. A. Second. I am back with my big let me just do this. It would be easier if I was on the table. That's right. I could get my table. Let me just block this camera. So, hey guys, I got a table. If I move it further back, you'll see me better. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Up we go. Let me just move this down. And these. Let's get up on the table. I just need my chair. Oh, where's the chair? Oh, I might bring some. Sorry guys, it's really hard to find my chair. I'm getting the one from the kitchen. rolling pin. Molds. There's a lot of these type of molds, but not just cat. That's not it. Oh my god, where's some Play-Doh? There we go. Got some dough. Not much. Got some more. And more. 2 different types of yellow. So there's 3 colours we're doing for hairstyling. One you've got to roll it out on your desk. This big. Not really big, but it's because I haven't rolled it out. You want it that long, I finished doing that one. So small. Oh my god, guys, don't worry. Sorry guys, but we're not doing that today. I got sick of rolling out. So that's a bit wrong now. So long. Wait, you can still do it. Which one has 5 holes? This one or this one? You're right, it's this one. Hey! Whoa, my tub. I'll shove this in. Oh. Mom, can we go to... How long has it been? this isn't working. Sorry guys, I will carry it on, but no, I don't want to. I'm tired. No, I'm not. Well, I am. I'm thinking of what I'm going to do in my video. But then my mum says I can't do it. So